Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to live inside a snow globe using Pippit AI for free. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you're going to go to Pippit AI website, then you're going to sign in to get free credits. And you're going to add the prompt right here. Go to the home menu and you're going to add your prompt. This is the prompt that I use. You can use mine or you can modify it guys. And we're going to upload photo. I'm going to use a random photo from my device. I'm gonna go with this photo. And then I'm going to submit it. Then let the AI create the editing for me. I want to make the photo that I upload is living inside the snow globe. Okay guys, and this is the result. It's so cute. And if you want to download it, you can click on this download menu and select without Pippit watermark, and the photo will be saved to your device. Or if you're not satisfied with the result, you can click on regenerate right here, and the AI will create or will regenerate the photo for you. Okay, that's how we can live in a snow globe using Pippit AI for free. I hope this video will be useful for you guys. If you want to try it yourself, you can click Pippit AI join link on my YouTube description and try to make any photo or